My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Dears, Assalamu alaikum. For all, learning never ends. सीखना कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता, तो हम सब मिलकर सीखेंगे लर्न विद रो यूट्यूब चैनल पर. In this video, we will study MCQ type notes of process of teaching and teaching strategies. Effective teaching is a function of clear and precise communication. Communication will be effective if it reaches the receiver as intended by the sender. Communication in the classroom often fails because the teacher is monotonous in delivering the message. Which of the following will make communication more effective? Telling what is useful to the listener. A college teacher will really help the students when she is objective in her evaluation. Which is the more desirable outcome of teaching in higher education? Increasing the level of independent thinking of students. To make classroom teaching more effective, every teacher should analyze responses of students. The main aim of classroom teaching is to develop inquiring mind, who develop the interaction analysis category system in education for increasing the teacher's effectiveness. Blender, one of the important theory of moral development, has been proposed by Lawrence Kohlberg. The classification of cognitive domain was presented by Benjamin S. Bloom. The right sequence of subgroups of cognitive domain is knowledge, lowest level, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation, highest level. The right order of subgroups of affective domain is classified by Korthwal in 1972 as attending, responding, valuing, organization, and characterization. Psychomotor domain was classified in 7 groups by Simpson in 1964. The term kindergarten means children's playground. Efficiency and discipline, E and D rules are prepared for teachers. CI stands for computer assisted instruction. Question mode is not the mode of CI. The aim of teacher is to develop the abilities of students. The lecture will be communicated more effectively if teachers prepare good notes in advance and use them as their guides. Most important for a teacher is students of the class. A good teacher is one who teaches well. Teaching will be effective if the teacher starts from what students know already. One can be a good teacher if she has a genuine interest in teaching. The following statement has the high probability of being correct as applied. All students can learn, but all do not learn. A teacher has to be sympathetic towards slow learners. In higher education, research and teaching are two different activities that can go together. The most suitable idea about teaching and research is there are two sides of the same coin. The elements of communication process are message, receiver, channel, sender. The facial expression of students relate to message element of the communication process. Absenteeism in classroom can be minimized by teaching the class effectively and regularly. The students like to spend the most of their time with peers. The rules of representing the contents to make them easier called maxims of teaching. In teaching, experienced members guide the immature ones for adjustment of life. SOLO stands for Structure of the Observed Learning Outcome. SOLO taxonomy proposed by Biggs and Coles consists of 4 levels. With reference to SOLO taxonomy, one aspect of a task is understood in unstructured level. To go beyond the given information is extended abstract level. Heuristic means to investigate. Armstrong was the exponent of heuristic method. Drama or role play is useful for teaching history. TV teleconferencing is not the types of teleconferencing. To put ideas together to form a new whole is synthesis. To know the worth or value of material is evaluation. Knowledge gained through sense of seeing, that observation is 75%. Schools use a diverse set of ICTs tools to communicate, create, disseminate, store and manage information. To promote science and technology is aim. Goals are at subject level while objectives are at national level. Markup models are those which explain principles of working of machine. Macro teaching is a teaching training technique started in 1960. Stay connected with Learn with Ro, and for useful learning, subscribe Learn with Ro. Thanks to all, be happy and stay blessed.